Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's lesson, we are going to learn about voltage regulators, one of the most important components in electronics. Voltage regulators make sure your circuit receives the correct and stable voltage, so nothing burns, nothing breaks, and everything works properly. Let's learn how they work in simple English. What is a voltage regulator? A voltage regulator is a device that keeps the voltage stable even if the input voltage changes. For example, if your power supply gives 12 volts, 12 volts, but your circuit needs only 5 volts, you use a regulator. Without a regulator, many components will get too much voltage and get damaged instantly. The most common regulators beginners use are the 7805, 7809 and 7812. 7805 outputs 5 volt. 7809 output 9 volt. 7812 is 12 volt. No matter what is the input is, as long as it's higher than the output, the regulator keeps it stable. How a voltage regulator works. Let's take the 7805 as an example. It has 3 pins. Input, where you connect your higher voltage. Ground, the reference point. And 3 output stable 5 volts comes out. If you supply 7 volt, 9 volt, 12 volt or even 15 volt into the input, the 7805 will regulate it to a clean 5 volt output. Inside the regulator, there are transistors and control circuits that constantly adjust the flow of current to keep the voltage steady. It acts like a water valve, keeping the pressure constantly even if the supply pressure changes. Switching regulator. There are 2 main types of voltage regulator. Linear regulator like 7805, easy to use, cheap, stable, but they produce heat because extra voltage is wasted as heat. 2. Switching regulator, step down or buck converters. Very efficient, less heat, can handle higher currents, perfect for batteries and power supplies. Beginners usually start with the 7805, but modern circuits use more switching regulators. Voltage regulators are everywhere. Phone chargers, power banks, Arduino and Raspberry Pi ports, LED strips, DC motors, car electronics, power supplies and adapters. Any circuit that needs a stable voltage must have a regulator. When using a 7805, always use input and output capacitor. Keep the regulator cool. Make sure your input voltage is at least 2 volt higher than the output dropout voltage. Good wiring and proper heat management will make your circuit safer and last longer. So that's the basic of voltage regulators. What they are, how they work, and where they are used. Voltage regulator protects your circuits and makes everything run smoothly. If you enjoyed the lesson, please like, comment, and subscribe for more electronics tutorials. Thanks for watching.